Okra changed my health in ways I never expected. 3 months ago, my grandmother handed me a bag of fresh okra from her garden. "Eat this every day for 2 weeks," she said with that knowing smile. I was skeptical. This slimy green vegetable seemed too simple to make any real difference. Boy, was I wrong. By day 10, my digestive issues that had plagued me for years started improving. The constant bloating after meals practically disappeared. Turns out, okra contains unique mucilage fibers that coat the digestive tract, reducing inflammation naturally. Here's what makes okra truly remarkable. Each 100-gram serving delivers 33% of your daily vitamin K needs, according to USDA nutritional data. But vitamin C is just the beginning of this vegetable's healing powers. The real magic happens with okra's soluble fiber content. Studies published in the Journal of Nutritional Science show these fibers can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing glucose absorption. This isn't just theory, it's measurable science. During my 2-week experiment, I consumed okra in different forms daily. Raw okra water became my morning ritual. Simply slice 8 pods, soak them in water overnight, then drink the liquid first thing in the morning. The texture takes getting used to, admittedly. That characteristic sliminess comes from mucilage compounds that actually provide the health benefits. These same compounds help lubricate joints and may reduce arthritis-related discomfort. By week 2, my energy levels stabilized throughout the day. No more afternoon crashes that previously sent me reaching for coffee. Research from the American Diabetes Association suggests okra's fiber content helps maintain steady blood glucose levels. My skin started looking clearer around day 12. Those persistent small breakouts on my chin began fading. Okra's high antioxidant content, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, supports skin health from within. But let's address the elephant in the room. Why isn't everyone talking about okra? Honestly, it's not the most glamorous vegetable. It doesn't have the marketing power of exotic superfruits or trendy supplements. Yet okra outperforms many expensive health foods in nutrient density. It provides folate essential for cell division, magnesium for muscle function, and potassium for heart health. All for under $2 per pound at most grocery stores. Cooking methods matter significantly for preserving nutrients. Steaming or light sautéing maintains more vitamins than boiling. Adding a splash of lemon juice while cooking helps reduce the sliminess many people dislike. I discovered roasted okra makes an excellent snack. Slice pods lengthwise, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle sea salt, then roast at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. The result tastes surprisingly similar to chips, but with actual nutritional value. Some people experience digestive sensitivity when first introducing okra. Start with smaller portions and gradually increase intake. This allows your digestive system to adjust to the increased fiber content. Individuals taking blood sugar medications should monitor levels closely when adding okra regularly. Its glucose-lowering effects might require medication adjustments under medical supervision. Pregnancy and breastfeeding women benefit from okra's high folate content. However, always consult healthcare providers before making significant dietary changes during these periods. The most practical approach involves incorporating okra 2 to 3 times weekly. This frequency provides benefits without overwhelming your digestive system or taste preferences. Traditional cooking methods from various cultures offer inspiration. Indian bhindi masala, southern fried okra, and Middle Eastern bamia stews all showcase this versatile vegetable's culinary potential. Growing okra yourself maximizes freshness and reduces costs. These plants thrive in warm climates and produce abundantly throughout the growing season. Even apartment dwellers can grow okra in large containers. After 3 months of regular okra consumption, the changes in my overall well-being convince me this humble vegetable deserves more recognition. My grandmother was right all along. Remember, no single food provides miracle cures. Okra works best as part of a balanced diet rich in various vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Individual results will vary based on genetics, existing health conditions, and overall lifestyle factors. What transformed my health might affect you differently. Always seek professional medical advice before using foods medicinally. This is especially important if you have diabetes, digestive disorders, or take prescription medications. Start your okra journey today with just one serving. Notice how your body responds over the next 2 weeks. You might be as surprised as I was.